Pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how the day be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, started off with the son, the trade master. He's stealing trays like he the hat slinging slasher.
YouTube, what is good? Generational Hype Beast back at you with yet another video, man. And today, as you can see by the shirt, man, I got some of that Yeezy stuff going on, man. We got the brand new Yeezys, man. They are releasing this Saturday. I don't even know the date, man. Y'all gotta apologize. I am under the weather. Track season. It's so much stuff going on, right? Austin ain't even here right now. You know, he out in the street somewhere. Who knows where he is? But I still wanted to bring this to you, man. I was gonna try to wait on him, but I just gotta get this out to y'all. So we just gonna get it to you, right? So first and foremost, shout out to the plug. As always, man, was able to pick up these guys a little early, and I was able not only to get one pair, but I was able to get two pairs, man. I got pop size, personal size, and I got Austin a pair as well, man. So shout out to the plug as always, man, for coming through. Once again, I'm gonna ask y'all to excuse my voice because my throat is crazy right now, man. My boy T Wood, I got that gungus going on in my joint right now, man, and it's really hitting me up, man. But these are the Yeezy Boost 700, man, and the color scheme is Inertia. It actually says Inertia. Like, I don't even know if y'all can see that or not, man. But yeah, that's it, man. Size 11, of course. Yeezy Boost 700 box. Sorry about that. 700 box. Size tag. Boost on the side. That over there. There you go. These on the bottom for you box police that like the boxes, man. I'm getting out of my box. And let's get them out. Whew. Whew. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. Actually, I do know. Man, Yeezy 700 Inertias, man. Inertia guys in the building. What y'all think, man? What y'all think? As if that would be a thumbnail. Wait. Y'all gotta excuse me, y'all me. But no, man, these are the Yeezy 700 Inertias, man. First hand look. These guys do release this upcoming Saturday. It is today the 6th, 8th, 9th, one of those dates, man.
I'm so confused.
Today is Thursday. I apologize, y'all. I don't even know what day it is. But these guys are coming, man. So, as you saw in our last video, the salts. Let me get the salt, guys. Let's compare this color to the salt. So, here are the new Inertia guys. Here are your salt guys. So you can see the color scheme on these is totally different, man. It's more of a gray. When this is more of a stone, and this is more of a gray, all over gray. Different tones of gray. I really like that mango color there. My lights are probably really bright and not doing it justice. Let me get it a little closer. You can see just what color that is. The sole, I really like the sole. Like all of the other ones have a black sole. I think this little bit of a detail right here, changing this up, really kind of set this shoe off, man. In my humble opinion, Mike Rich. Cleansed. But let's get into the shoe, man. As far as everything else, man, it is a standard Yeezy V1, man. It's the same as the Wave Runner as far as the quality and the different hits of suede and mesh and leather and all of that. It does still have the 3M stripes. I don't know if that's popping off the lights or not. Hopefully y'all can see that, man. You can definitely see the 3M in these little pods here. man. I'm not sure if you can see the 3 stripes up in that mesh right there, man, but they're there in the 3M. Other than that, of course, the boost in the sole. And this does still have the Yeezy. Oh, I'm going through the wrong shoe, man.
What are you doing?
Why'd you just tell me?
So, right off the rip, I can tell you that the Yeezy Ortholite inside of the sole here is a whole different color. I've never seen it that color right there. It's actually kind of hard to see in there. That's pretty cool. It's the same color as like this right here, like this teal bluish type color, man. These colors that Kanye be coming with, man, are just straight crazy, man. Like, but this shoe is dope. This is gonna be the one that everybody wants. I'm just gonna tell you right now, man. Saturday, don't pretend like you don't want them, because you're gonna go on Yeezy Supply and they're gonna be gone. They're gonna buy these up. That's gonna happen. So hopefully, you know, if you want this pair, man, you do your due diligence and you get out there and hopefully get you a pair. Tier 0 stores, boutiques, all of that stuff, man. Hopefully they will have them. I think Wish will have them. I think Social will have them. I think Bonnier will have them. As far as Atlanta and locally, I am not sure if the Adidas store in Lenox is gonna have them or not. Hopefully they do. But like I said, Yeezy Supply will definitely have them. And Adidas.com may have them, or they may just redirect you to Yeezy Supply. Not sure. But so I know some of you are gonna ask about sizing on this pair, man. It does fit a little snug, so you wanna go about a half size up. You definitely wanna go a half size up on these, man, because this toe box right here will crunch your toes down to nothing, man. So make sure you go a half size up if you're getting any pair of 700s, man. They all fit about the same, so don't forget about that, man. This is the Inertia guys, man. Hopefully you are able to get your hands on them. I'm not gonna go into a super duper detailed review because you've seen the Wave Runner, you've seen the Salt, you've seen this. That's just what it is, man. It's just a super dope colorway, and y'all need to get on them. You know what I'm saying? So, shout out to the youngin' for me getting him a pair. I hadn't got him a pair in a while, so it was time. He was due. Sometimes you gotta do that for your sons, right? Not too often though. What else we got, man? That is it, man. Shout out to everybody who continues to rock with us, man. Watch our videos. We certainly appreciate it, man. We are getting close to that 3K mark, man. Getting close to that 3K mark. So if you really rock with us, man, you like what we're doing, hey, sub to the channel. If this is your first time, welcome, man. Glad you pulled up. Thank you for checking us out. Yeezy Inertia's in hand, man. Hopefully you are able to grab you a pair of these if you want them, all right? Yao Ming, Dad, Cam, Solo Dolo, Yeezus, holla.